One thing you got to remember, always follow price action, not your opinion or your bias, because the price action will outsmart you majority of the time. If you look at Cardano right now, we did touch that 200-day moving average, and we did get that bounce we were expecting, which gave us a lower high, and now price is continuing pushing lower lows and lower highs, most likely going to continue its way towards that 200-day moving average. I'm going to follow up from our previous analysis from exactly a month ago back in May and talk about where we're at today and what we can expect for the price of Cardano in the coming weeks. What's up? Welcome to the channel. My name is John. @RealJohnDoe is my handle on Twitter. For today's video, I'm giving you guys an update on Cardano, ADA. It's been about 1 month now since the last analysis, and price is sitting right at a pretty important level right now, so it's a pretty good time to give you guys an update on what I am expecting for the next few weeks. And of course, I will give you guys the usual update, support and resistance level, the trader sentiment right now, latest news. And then what I'll do is I'll review the previous video, play a quick clip from it, and then talk about where we're at today and what we're expecting moving forward. We appreciate everyone showing your support to the channel. We do continue to grow thanks to you guys. Everyone that has subscribed so far. If you're not subscribed yet, make sure you do hit that subscribe button. And also, if you want to show your support to the channel, all you have to do right now is take 2 seconds and hit that thumbs up button and like this video, because that really does help us out in the YouTube algorithm. As well, if you're not following my Twitter page, you can find it here on Twitter, @RealJohnDoe. Make sure you do hit that follow button as well, because I do post quite a bit of tweets regarding the analysis here on the channel and a few more things to help you guys out with your trades. So looking at the sentiment right now for Cardano, ADA, right now, it does show sell with the price sitting right at a major support level, which is not a good sign. This week's performance is down 6%, and this month of June, it is down about 20%. Okay, now let's cover support and resistance levels for Cardano. $1.30 is the next level to watch, which is the June lows and also the range lows since May. And then we got $1.11, which is right around that 200-day moving average and pretty much the yearly consolidation level. Then after that, we got 80 cents. If that level breaks, then things won't be looking good. Then we're most likely heading right back down to 40 cents, potentially even 20 cents again for Cardano. Now, if price does reverse to the upside, the next resistance I'm looking at right now is $1.50, which is the 21 and the 50-day moving average. We also did get a bearish crossover of the 21 and 50-day moving average right in that range. $1.80 is the next level. That's the June highs and also right around the June open range. And then we got $2 as the last resistance. If that breaches, then we're most likely heading back up to test all-time high for Cardano. Cardano does have some long-term opportunity. 33% of Cardano investors didn't own any a month ago, and that is a big number for new investors for a cryptocurrency. So that means there will be quite a bit of volatility in the price to find a solid support. Right now, Cardano does have some upgrades coming in late July, early August. But even with the upgrades coming, it doesn't guarantee the sentiment shift from how price is moving right now. And institutional money seems to be flowing into Cardano. CoinShare revealed that lots of institutional investors are moving money into projects like Cardano. According to this data here, all the big funds, if you look, they are removing flows away from Bitcoin and Ethereum, while Cardano is maintaining positive flows of capital. So what kind of impact does news like that have on the actual price of Cardano in the short term? Price action has been doing what it's supposed to do until we test a major support level or a pivot point for Cardano to finally begin to reverse. Price will continue heading back down. And I'm expecting that pivot point to be down here at about $1 to $1.10. Right around that 200-day moving average. Let me play back a clip from our last Cardano analysis when we were down here, right at that big drop, and what we were expecting from there. And then I'll give you guys an update from today's prices. But to the bearish side for Cardano, if the bull market is over now, we will get a bounce to that 21-day moving average. That's what I'm expecting at least. And then a rejection there. We'll test the lows again, potential double bottom and a bear flag, and then break down. And Cardano will be trading below that 200-day moving average now for the first time since December of 2020. And you could look at that 200-day moving average range down here at about 90 cents to $1 as a great buy the dip opportunity if we do test the lows, because if we do get a bounce at that range, you do get a way higher risk reward ratio and to all-time high. That does give you about 130% gain. And also, if you look, that level is right below all these monthly supports from throughout the year, which makes it one of the best buy the dip opportunities if it happens once again. So I did mention the bearish scenario where we test that 21-day moving average, have a double bottom, and break down and trade below. We do also have that bearish scenario where we can bounce and trap some bulls with a lower high, come back down again, keep forming lower highs, lower lows, and then eventually test that 200-day moving average support and break down below that. So looking at the chart now for Cardano, things are still bearish. We did get a lower high. And now if you look here, we did get a crossover, a bearish crossover actually of the 21 and the 50-day moving average. We haven't had that for Cardano now for quite a while. The last time was back here in September of 2020, and price came down to the 200-day moving average, consolidated there before eventually breaking out. And I'm expecting something similar to that happening again, where we will continue breaking down, finally touch that 200-day moving average, build a long-term support right above $1, and then eventually have a reversal for Cardano to head up and test some of these resistance levels on the upside. So as of right now, I'm expecting price to stay within this range here for the next few weeks, possibly even months, unless we get something extremely bearish or something extremely bullish to push it out of this price range. So right now the price is in a downtrend. Overall, I'm not bearish on Cardano, but I am expecting prices to continue to drop lower, something like this, or even a much quicker drop, which will make volatility even higher and give us an even bigger trading range. And if you look at that 21 and 50-day moving average, it will continue to be above the price, and eventually we will get a crossover later on this year towards the upside. So if you are bullish on Cardano and you are looking to buy, then you can have two entry spots, which is this current level we are at right now. It's $1.35, $1.30 range. You can look for an entry there, but as I mentioned, it's not really an ideal spot. So you can enter half your position or part of your position here. And a better entry spot would be down here at this 200-day moving average at about $1, and that is about 20% away. And if we do head down to that level, then a bounce from there back towards this $1.60 range, which we most likely will test later on this year. That will give you about a 46% bounce. You gotta remember though, if we do go into a long-term bear market for crypto, Cardano could also continue to push the lows, break below that 200-day moving average, a lower high at about $1.40, and continue downwards and test that 80-cent level, which is a very important level for the year. As you can see here, that's where price did break out, and we did have a nice run from that level. So if price does trend below that 200-day moving average, we can expect that 80-cent level as a potential bottom and a potential bearish price target. So if this video, I don't really have a bullish and bearish scenario. I'm mostly following price action because that seems to have been working now for the past few weeks for Cardano, and it most likely will continue to work until price comes to an important level around that 200-day moving average. That is everything for this Cardano update. Make sure you do follow up with our analysis right on our channel. Don't forget to like this video, hit that thumbs up button, and also leave your comment if you have any feedback on what you would like to see in future videos. And I'll see you guys again in the next one. It's John with Currency.com. For more trading videos just like this, please subscribe to our channel.